Are you tired of trying endless diets and workouts but not seeing the fat disappear? What if I told you that the real secret to fat loss is as simple as changing what's on your plate? In this video, we'll reveal the 10 best foods that can help you lose fat, enhance your fitness goals, and lead a healthier life. Exercise is important, but the foods you eat play an even bigger role in achieving fat loss. The best part? You don't need to follow a restrictive diet. By incorporating whole, unprocessed, and high-quality foods into your meals, you can fuel your body for fat burning in a sustainable and safe way. Certain foods can actually speed up fat burning. For instance, eggs are packed with high-quality protein to keep you full. Chili peppers contain capsaicin to boost metabolism, and Greek yogurt is loaded with probiotics that improve gut health and support weight loss. These foods aren't part of an extreme diet. They're simple, science-backed options that are easy to add to your daily routine. So, are you ready to discover the ultimate fat-burning grocery list and reach your goals faster? Let's dive in. Let's start with a breakfast favorite that's perfect for fat loss: eggs. Packed with high-quality protein, eggs help you feel fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake throughout the day. This makes them an excellent choice for managing your weight. Eggs are also rich in essential nutrients like vitamin D, which supports bone health, and choline, which plays a key role in fat metabolism. Not only do eggs provide essential nutrients, but studies have shown that eating them for breakfast can reduce hunger and increase fat burning. Whether you prefer them boiled, scrambled, or poached, eggs are a versatile and satisfying option to kickstart your day and help keep those extra pounds at bay. If you enjoy spicy food, you'll love our next fat-burning superfood, chili peppers. They contain capsaicin, which is a compound that boosts metabolism by increasing thermogenesis, the process where your body burns calories to produce heat. This helps accelerate fat burning, making chili peppers an excellent addition to your diet. Capsaicin can also help curb appetite, leading to fewer calories consumed throughout the day. Including chili peppers into your meals, whether in soups, stir-fries, or as a seasoning, adds a fiery kick to your food while promoting fat loss. Not only do they enhance the flavor of your dishes, but they also provide a natural, effective way to boost your metabolism and support your weight loss goals. Next on the list are avocados, a healthy fat powerhouse. Rich in monounsaturated fats, avocados help reduce belly fat and improve heart health by lowering bad cholesterol levels. They're also high in fiber, which keeps you feeling full for longer, preventing overeating. This combination of healthy fats and fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels, further supporting fat loss. Including half an avocado in your meals can provide a creamy, nutritious boost while promoting fat burning. Spread it on toast, toss it in salads, or blend it into smoothies to enjoy its benefits. With their versatility and impressive health benefits, avocados make an excellent addition to any fat-burning diet. When it comes to a snack that helps with fat loss, Greek yogurt is a star. Packed with protein, it helps build and repair muscles, while its probiotics support gut health. A healthy gut can improve digestion and boost metabolism, making weight loss easier. Greek yogurt also keeps you feeling satisfied longer and reduces the urge to snack on unhealthy options. The high protein content helps regulate hunger hormones, promoting fullness. For a fat-burning snack, choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt to avoid excess sugar. Pair it with fresh fruits or nuts for added nutrients and healthy fats. This delicious and versatile snack is not only great for fat loss, but also supports overall health. Moving on, switching up your drinks can also make a difference, and green tea is a fantastic option for fat loss. Known for its fat-burning properties, green tea contains catechins and caffeine, which help boost metabolism and increase calorie burn. Drinking a few cups a day can enhance fat oxidation, especially in the belly area. It also promotes energy expenditure, making it easier to stay active throughout the day. Green tea is not just great for fat loss, it's also a natural detoxifier, flushing out toxins from the body. Whether you enjoy it warm, iced, or blended into smoothies, green tea is a refreshing and effective addition to your daily routine for supporting fat loss and overall health. Next, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are excellent choices for fat loss. These fish are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for reducing inflammation and supporting a healthy metabolism. Omega-3s can also improve insulin sensitivity, helping the body process fat more efficiently. Additionally, the high protein content in fatty fish helps keep you feeling full, preventing overeating while also supporting lean muscle mass during fat loss. Including these fish in your diet ensures that you're nourishing your body with healthy fats and protein, both of which are crucial for burning fat effectively. Whether you grill, bake, or sauté them, fatty fish make for a flavorful and nutritious addition to any meal, helping you stay on track with your fat loss goals. Don't forget your greens. Leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, and arugula are fantastic for fat loss. These greens are low in calories but rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, making them perfect for any fat-burning diet. The fiber in leafy greens helps you feel full and curbs cravings. Additionally, they support digestion and detoxify the body, promoting overall health. These vegetables also offer a range of important nutrients like vitamin K, iron, and magnesium, which support metabolism and energy levels. Versatile and easy to incorporate into meals, you can add them to salads, soups, or even blend them into smoothies. Including these greens in your diet ensures that you're fueling your body with nutrient-dense, low-calorie foods that keep you satisfied while accelerating fat loss. For a convenient snack that helps burn fat, reach for nuts like almonds, walnuts, or pistachios. These nutrient-packed snacks are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, making them an excellent choice for curbing hunger and keeping you full between meals. Nuts are known to promote satiety, helping you avoid eating more and making it easier to stick to your calorie goals. Studies suggest that eating nuts in moderation can actually enhance fat loss by boosting metabolism and reducing cravings. Additionally, they provide a healthy source of antioxidants and essential nutrients like vitamin E, magnesium, and omega-3 fatty acids, which support health. A small handful of nuts is a quick and easy snack to carry around, providing you with sustained energy while aiding in your fat loss journey. Craving carbs while trying to lose fat? Sweet potatoes are an excellent choice that satisfies cravings without derailing your goals. These nutrient-dense root vegetables are rich in fiber, which helps keep you full and prevents overeating. The complex carbohydrates in sweet potatoes provide steady energy, making them a great option for staying active throughout the day. They're also packed with essential vitamins, including vitamin A for eye health and immune support, and vitamin C, which promotes skin health and helps fight inflammation. Sweet potatoes have a naturally sweet flavor that makes them a versatile addition to your meals. Whether baked, roasted, or mashed, they pair well with lean proteins and leafy greens for a balanced, fat-burning meal. Plus, their low glycemic index helps stabilize blood sugar levels, aiding in fat loss. Finally, let's sweeten things up with berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are tiny but mighty when it comes to fat loss. These colorful fruits are low in calories yet packed with fiber. Rich in antioxidants, berries help reduce inflammation and protect your cells from damage, supporting overall health and fat-burning efforts. They're also great for regulating blood sugar levels, which is crucial for preventing fat storage. Berries are incredibly versatile. Enjoy them as a guilt-free snack, sprinkle them on your morning yogurt, or blend them into smoothies for a burst of flavor and nutrients. With their natural sweetness, they're the perfect way to satisfy your sweet tooth while staying on track. And there you have it, the top 10 foods that will help you burn fat and achieve your health goals. Remember, fat loss doesn't have to mean deprivation or extreme diets. By incorporating these nutrient-packed, fat-burning foods into your daily meals, you're setting yourself up for sustainable and long-term success. Whether it's starting your day with eggs, snacking on nuts and berries, or sipping on green tea, small changes in your diet can make a big difference. Pair these foods with regular exercise and a positive mindset, and you'll be amazed at the results. Which of these foods will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to live a healthier, happier life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.